Hi friends, welcome to NinuTV classroom. Let's begin. Friends, today we will learn all the objects of blue color. Come on, let's go and check them out. This is a whale, a blue whale. This is a cute dolphin. This is a crayon, a blue color crayon. This is jeans, a blue jeans. These are blue berries. This is a mittu parrot. This is a bird, a blue bird. This is a butterfly, a butterfly. This is a police hat. This is an umbrella. This is a blue dress, a blue color dress. This is a clock, a blue clock. This is our own earth. This is a kite, a blue kite. This is a bow tie, a blue bow tie. This is a jellyfish. This is a small cute fish, a blue fish. These are sunglasses, a blue sunglasses. These are blue gloves. This is orchid, a beautiful orchid. This is a t-shirt, a blue t-shirt. This is a ribbon, a blue color ribbon. This is a starfish, a blue starfish. This is a book, a blue book. This is a sock, a blue color sock. This is a sky boot, a blue sky boot. These are a pair of roller skating shoes. These are blue balloons. This is a truck, a blue color truck. This is a sky, blue sky. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.